Hi everybody, this is the Bomb.Mom checking in with you again from chilly New York City. I was going to tell you about how much I enjoy grocery shopping at Trader Joe's when I have the City Select stroller, because check out how much stuff we can carry. You ready for this? We got the popcorn here in the front. We got Wild, he's 4 years old. He weighs about 30 pounds. He can sit easily in the back. And the entire bottom is full of groceries. See that? So all you have to do is just recline the chair slightly like this, keep the footwell up, and drop my big tub up here. And I still have plenty of room to hang on. The cargo space in this stroller is like unbelievable. Unbelievable. I found that you get a lot more cargo space if you turn the chair around facing you and put it on the highest setting, because it can set up high or it can click in down low. If it's down low, you don't get as much height, but if you raise it up high and tip it, look, I can still fit more stuff in the back. Say have a great day.